Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you how to deal with rejection. And actually, I'm going to share with you how you can actually laugh at rejection. All right. So this video is great for anybody, really anything, but especially when it comes to affiliate marketing and network marketing, because a lot of times, you gotta, put yourself out there and approach people in some way. I'm a big believer in attraction marketing, but at some point you're going to be engaging with people, right? People are going to ask you for, they're going to ask questions about whatever it is you're promoting or selling, right? And then you might do your little spiel and, give all the information you can, and they still might turn around and say, I'm good, or no, thank you, or whatever. Now you might even, approach somebody and ask them for something, and they're going to be like, I'm good, no. So eventually you're going to start feeling discouraged. You're going to start questioning the business. You're going to start questioning the products, everything. And you shouldn't have to do that, right? Rejection is part of the game, but it's how you deal with it is what's going to be the difference between you being successful or you just being like, I'm moving on. I'm going back to a 9-to-5. Damn this, right? So check this out. This is how you deal with rejection. First thing that is super important, right? This is the most important part. You have to be confident in whatever it is that you are promoting. You have to, right? Because this will be the difference between you feeling like crap and quitting and you just moving on to the next prospect, right? This right here. You have to be confident in whatever it is that you are promoting. So I give a quick example. I'm with HealthyNULiving, right? Talk about it all the time, whatever. So me personally, I've made money with HealthyNULiving, right? So I feel confident promoting the business opportunity from HealthyNULiving, right? Now, I actually take their products. So I know they're good. So I feel confident, talking about the products because I'm like, I know they're good. So I'm confident, right? If I wasn't confident, then it would be hard for me to talk about it, or it'd be hard for me to talk about the opportunity because I'm like, I don't even know, right? So when you're confident in whatever it is you're promoting, it's going to give you this little swagger because right? That what you have to offer somebody else can benefit them, right? What you have can benefit them. So if you know what you have can benefit your prospect and they say no, right? Who's the fool, right? Who's the loser, right? And here's a great way to look at this, guys. Wrapping this video up. Here's a great way to look at it. Imagine somebody gave you a briefcase with $100,000 in it, right? And it just had like a little picture on the briefcase. You don't really know what's in it, whatever. Imagine you went out to the mall or whatever, and you just went up to strangers, and there's $100,000 in this briefcase, and you also know anybody that you give this briefcase to will be super happy to have it. It can really help their life. It can really improve their life, right? So imagine going out with this briefcase and you going up to people and you saying, hey, I got this briefcase, are you interested in checking it out, right? Now, granted, you didn't even tell them what's in it, right? You didn't tell them nothing, what's in it, whatever. But you say, hey, are you interested in checking this out? It can really change your life. It can really do amazing things for you. If that person said, no, I'm good. No, I'm good. No, thank you. I'll pass. I'm good. Get out my face. If they said any of them things, how would you feel? I really want you to think about that. How would you feel if they rejected your $100,000 cash, right? You're gonna think to yourself, stupid. You could have changed your life, right? That's what you're gonna be thinking. You're not gonna be like, oh no, I can't give away this briefcase. Nope. You know what you're gonna do? You're gonna move to the next one, and you're gonna be laughing at that person who said no. You're gonna move on to the next person, right? That's because you have to go off of the feeling that you get. So whenever you promoting something that you're confident in, whether it's a weight loss product, whether it's marketing software, whether it's a workout equipment, whatever. You have to have confidence, because when you have that confidence, whenever somebody tell you no, you're going to look at them and you're going to be like, man, that's your loss. God, you crazy. Man, you whack. Right? Because you know what you have could have helped them. That ain't your fault that they don't want to be helped. So it's your job to move on to the next one and laugh at the person who rejected you, because they don't know what they just missed out on. All right. So that is how you can deal with rejection. Don't feel bad about it and keep it moving. But long as you're confident in what you have to offer, you're going to be all good to go. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. Now, if you are looking for some opportunities that you can offer people that if they rejected you, you could laugh at them, be sure to check out the description of this video. All right. Peace.